Have you ever pondered what makes us, human beings, so distinctively unique among all the creatures that inhabit this vast planet? Human beings are indeed one of the physical creations of the divine. Yet, unlike other physical beings, we possess not only a physical existence, but also intellectual, moral, and aesthetic dimensions to our being. These traits form the essence of our personality and distinguish us from other entities such as animals, plants, and inanimate objects. On the other hand, animals like us possess a physical existence and sensory perceptions, yet they lack the intellectual and moral consciousness, as well as the aesthetic sense that we humans are endowed with. This privilege of living life as an intellectual, moral, and aesthetic entity is exclusive to humans. Our intellectual existence prompts us to understand the nature and reality of things. From the dawn of our existence, we have been engrossed in the pursuit of truth. The journey from ancient Greek philosophy to modern science essentially symbolizes this quest. Our moral existence compels us to distinguish between good and evil, virtue and vice, purity and impurity, justice and injustice. These moral imperatives have given rise to fundamental moral values and a universal system of ethics. Our aesthetic sense evokes in us the notions of beauty and ugliness. The external world of arts, literature, culture, and civilization is, in fact, a manifestation of our aesthetic taste. Our physical existence, on the other hand, engenders sensations such as hunger, thirst, pain, pleasure, desires, and aspirations, constantly driving us on the path of survival. Consider this: the source of knowledge, arts, culture, civilization, economic and social systems, and fundamental moral values is the human being itself. The treasures of knowledge and art are not external. They are buried within the human existence. But the human condition is not limited to merely following our physical instincts like animals. We possess the ability to think and perceive, a moral conscience, an aesthetic sense, and the freedom of will and choice. Often, we act contrary to our inherent intellectual and natural demands, resulting in a conflict between thought and action. In a nutshell, human beings are unique creatures with a physical existence supplemented by intellectual, moral, and aesthetic dimensions. These traits distinguish us from other beings, and our inherent abilities and freedom of choice often lead us to act contrary to our nature, causing a conflict between thought and action. This understanding of our nature and existence is what defines us as humans and sets us apart from all other creatures.